Hello, Deer Park teachers. It's Christine. In this video, I will show you some additional ink tool features. One in particular that I want to show you is the Magic Pen tool. Not only does the Magic Pen contain disappearing ink, but you also can use it as a spotlight if you make a circle when you're using the Magic Pen. It can also be used as a magnifying tool when you draw a square around an item using the Magic Pen tool. Another great tool is the screen capture tool. Tap on the ink icon and then tap on the camera. You're going to have multiple capture options. If you choose the last screen capture option, the freehand tool, you could draw around any shape. Then choose Save to Desktop. Now I will tap my stamp tool to create a stamp from my image. Choose the image, click Open, and now use the stamp tool with your new image. Finally, I want to demonstrate the Write to Text tool. It allows you to write at the board and turn it into text. Once you write, click the check mark in the bottom right hand of the box. Now tap anywhere there is a text box and your text will appear there. Click on the link and open it. Please let me know if you have any questions about the ink tools or the smartboard.